With affiliate marketing, you can start earning thousands of dollars each month without having to produce or sell your own goods. This is all passive income that you could be generating in addition to your other source of income or paycheck. And in this video, I'm going to show you the exact steps that the top earners in the affiliate marketing industry take to achieve this, along with instructions on how you can follow their example and start doing the same for yourself. And by the time this video is over, you will be able to apply what you have learned to start bringing it to life. Contrary to network marketing, the good news about affiliate marketing is that you can promote anything you want without having to annoy people by trying to sign them up. I don't know about you, but I like that better. So what precisely is affiliate marketing? I'm glad you asked. Affiliate marketing is, to put it simply, the act of endorsing or promoting someone else's goods or services in return for a fee. A commission is paid to you when someone purchases a product or service from a company that you have recommended or promoted using an affiliate link. This is how it works, and at its most basic level. You find a company that is selling a good or service, and then you sign up to become an affiliate for that company. Guys, if you can execute this idea well, it can actually change your life. It is a pretty basic notion. There are just two main affiliate marketing strategies that you can use to generate income in general. You have rapid affiliate marketing and slow affiliate marketing, which is the antithesis of fast affiliate marketing. The rapid affiliate marketing strategy is exactly what it sounds like. You use it to quickly make money as an affiliate. On the other side, if you use the slow affiliate marketing strategy, you will earn money more gradually. Now, you may ask me, why would anyone want to use the slow method when it will just make so much more sense to make money quickly with the fast method? Well, the answer is not straightforward. I would say it depends. You see, the biggest benefit of the fast method is that you could literally get done watching this video, take what you have learned, go out there and start making money within just a few days. And if you stayed consistent with it, then you will start making life-changing money. However, the fast method can be tricky, and we are going to discuss this later in the video. For now, it's important to know that both methods require you to have a system in place to make sure that you will not lose your commissions. Simply put, you need to be organized as an affiliate marketer, just like in any other business, I should say. Here is a fairly straightforward technique that you may implement if you are just starting out to keep organized. The first step in your system as an affiliate marketer is to know how to make your affiliate links look friendlier. As you will notice, affiliate links are typically very long and can appear suspicious. That's why you want to make them look more attractive. To accomplish this, I recommend that you go to bit.ly.com or tinyurl.com, which are two great places where links can be shortened and look nicer. They even allow you to further customize your links by adding the names of the products that you are marketing. Both bit.ly.com and tinyurl.com provide free and premium versions, but even the free options are excellent. You can find the links to both platforms in the description. The next important element is to have a place where you keep all your affiliate links, because you can be promoting multiple products at the same time, and I will show you how to do that later. And an easy option is to create an Excel or Google spreadsheet where you save all of your affiliate links once you have improved the appearance, of course. Now that we have established our affiliate link system, let's talk about the slow affiliate marketing method. The slow method entails you building some type of audience at the beginning, and this could be through a blog, TikTok, YouTube, Pinterest, Facebook, or any other place where you can reach a lot of people at once. There is literally no need to overthink this. So just concentrate on one platform at a time, and focus all your attention on that platform. My advice is to stick with the platform that you are already most familiar with and knowledgeable about. One mistake that many people make though is thinking that to be successful with affiliate marketing, you need a big audience. That couldn't be further from the truth. Unlike some smaller channels that make tens of thousands of dollars every month, some YouTube channels with close to 1 million subscribers make virtually nothing from affiliate marketing. Some people have made over $20,000 in affiliate commissions from just one video with fewer than 10,000 views. Making highly focused videos for a very narrow niche is one strategy you may use if you have no prior experience with affiliate marketing and want to achieve results that are similar to those that do. It's kind of like you point people in the right direction and then you get a check. At the end of the day, if you have a product that you promote that earns you, let's say $100 in commission, you don't need that many people to watch your video who need that product to make a good amount of money. After deciding which platform you are going to use, it's time to decide what exactly you are going to write about or discuss. For example, are you going to create a niche topic or a channel where you review different products for a certain audience? Or maybe you can add value on TikTok or YouTube by making educational content for a specific audience that you can then monetize with affiliate links. Or perhaps you simply want to use a site like canva.com to create Pinterest pins that you will then attach your affiliate links to, so that when people click on your pin, they will be taken to your website. By the way, Canva is totally free, and I have also attached the link to the description in the description. One way to help you grow quickly is to find subtopics within the niche you have chosen. Instead of trying to reinvent the wheel, what you need to do is simply determine what your unique angle will be based on your platform. This will take some time to develop, and most of you watching won't know exactly what this looks like when you first start. But if you give up too soon, you will never actually know what it is, and that will simply be the end of it. So don't give up, okay? After choosing your topic, it is now time to actually find the products or services that relate to it. So what you will do is simply go to Google and type in the name of the brand you want to promote. If it's Nike, type Nike in the search bar, followed by the words affiliate program. And for most well-known brands, you should immediately see links leading to the affiliate program. For example, Nike has an affiliate program that pays you an 11% commission on every sale. So imagine for a moment that you made a video comparing two different popular Nike sneakers, both of which cost $150. Well, let's say the video receives 10,000 views and 100 of those viewers click on your affiliate link to purchase a pair of those sneakers from your video. In this case, you will earn a $1,650 affiliate commission. Obviously, the more videos you produce, the more views they receive, and the more people click on your affiliate links, the more money you will earn. See? So, depending on the topic you choose, you will just pick well-known products to start, to talk about. Now, one thing you might notice about some of these affiliate programs is that they are actually being hosted inside of what are known as affiliate networks. For instance, Adidas doesn't actually host their own affiliate program. Instead, they are using networks like DCM Network and VigLink to host their program. To join the affiliate program, all you have to do is sign up through the affiliate network. There are a ton of these affiliate networks you can join to get access to thousands of different affiliate programs from different companies in general, and there are a few of them. As you can see, with slow affiliate marketing, it will take some time before you can start making good money. Just like with every business, affiliate marketing has a learning curve that you have to get through before you can actually start making life-changing money. With that said, there is a different and faster way to do it, and that is by doing fast affiliate marketing. With the fast method, instead of taking the time to build an audience, you will instead spend money on pay-per-click advertising. The trick here, obviously, is to make more money than you are spending on ads. So it will be crucial that you invest the time to investigate various markets to find out what is currently popular, and then investigate the best platform to run pay-per-click advertisements based on your particular product. For instance, some products might sell better on platforms like Instagram and TikTok than on Facebook and YouTube. How does it work? Let's say there was a popular pair of Nike sneakers that everyone is talking about. What you could do is create, for example, a sponsored Instagram post, and when people click on the link in that post, that link is actually an affiliate link. And when people click on it and then proceed to buy the product from the advertisement, you'll get paid a commission. It doesn't really matter what platform you choose or what you talk about. If done correctly, affiliate marketing is a very effective way to earn money that can change your life. I am sure you guys will have a lot of questions, so if you want me to make a more in-depth video about either of these strategies, the fast method or the slow method, just leave a comment below and let me know which strategy you want me to cover in more details. Additionally, if you have any question about affiliate marketing that you would like me to address in a future video, leave that question as well. If you haven't yet given this video a like, please do so, and also subscribe to the channel for more content like this. It will mean the world to me if you did both. You guys are incredible, and I truly appreciate each and every one of you for watching. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day or night. We will catch up soon.